In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize a photo gallery on your GoDaddy website. Whether you're showcasing a portfolio or just want to add some visual flair, a gallery is a fantastic way to make your site more engaging. First, head over to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your website's dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything related to your site. From the dashboard, open up the website builder. Once inside, look for the plus icon. This is how you add new elements to your page. Click it, then select Add Section. A menu will appear with different section types. In the search bar, type Image Gallery. When it shows up, click on it. GoDaddy will then give you a variety of gallery templates to choose from. Pick the one that best matches your site's look and style, then click Add. Now that your gallery is on the page, it's time to customize it. Click directly on the gallery section and you'll see options to adjust the layout, change the background, and even edit the theme colors so everything aligns with your brand. Finally, upload your images. Just click the plus icon inside the gallery placeholders, then select and upload high-quality photos from your computer or device. Your images will automatically drop into the gallery, creating a clean and professional look. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a photo gallery on your GoDaddy website. Remember, keeping your site fresh and visually appealing is an ongoing process. So don't be afraid to revisit and update your gallery whenever you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tips to level up your website. Thanks for watching and happy building.